Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're comparing Motion and Notion, two powerful tools built to organize your life, but based on completely different philosophies. One automates your entire day for you, while the other gives you total freedom to design your own productivity system from scratch. So which one actually helps you get more done? Let's break it down. Let's start with the core difference. Motion is a time-blocking productivity app. Its biggest strength is automation. It creates your schedule for you using your tasks, meetings, and deadlines, and automatically reshuffles everything when plans change. If you want a system that thinks for you, Motion is built for that. Notion, by contrast, is a modular workspace. You get pages, databases, calendars, templates, all fully customizable. But there's no real automation. You control every part of the structure yourself. It's less of a task manager and more like a digital second brain. Now let's talk task management. Motion is fast and structured. Enter a task, set a deadline, and Motion instantly schedules it into your day. You can set work hours, priorities, and let the app handle all the logistics for you. Notion gives you total creative freedom: to-do lists, Kanban boards, database-driven tasks. You can build whatever workflow you want, but the trade-off is manual setup. Notion doesn't automatically block time unless you do it yourself through templates or integrations. If you want speed and automation, Motion wins. If you want customization and control, Notion is the better pick. Next, calendar features. Motion includes a smart built-in calendar that merges your Google or Outlook events with your tasks. If you fall behind or miss a task, Motion automatically restructures your entire day in real time. Notion's calendar is simply a database view. It's great for planning, but not for live scheduling or time-sensitive workflows. And there's no direct syncing with external calendars unless you use third-party tools like Zapier or Notion Calendar. So for real-time, auto-adjusting scheduling, Motion takes the lead. For high-level planning and organization, Notion shines. When it comes to teamwork, Notion is the winner. Teams use it for documentation, wikis, project management, content planning, everything. It's built for collaboration at scale. Motion is mainly focused on individual productivity. You can assign tasks and share calendars, but it's not meant to replace a full team collaboration system. Now let's look at ease of use. Motion is plug and play. Install it, sync your calendar, and it starts planning your day instantly. It's structured software. Very helpful if you want a tool that just works. Notion can seem overwhelming at first because you start with a blank canvas. The templates help, but the real power comes when you build your own system. It takes effort, but the customization pays off. So which one is better for you? Choose Motion if you want your day auto-planned, you like time blocking, you prefer structure over customization. Choose Notion if you want to design your own system, you work with a team or manage projects. You value flexibility and don't mind building workflows. And honestly, many people use both. Motion for time management and Notion for planning, documentation, and project tracking. So tell me, which one fits your style, automation or customization? Drop your answer in the comments, and if this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss future breakdowns. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.